everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes that will help you achieve and maintain healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. Since this is the birthday week of my friend and mentor, Dr. Alan Goldhammer, I'm wearing my Dr. Goldhammer apron. If you want to get some Goldhammer swag, just check out my Cafe Press store. We have t-shirts and earrings, all with this mug right on it. So if you want the exact measurements for this recipe, you're going to have to go over to www.feelfabulousover40.com/register and do a free 2-week trial of my fabulous program. And you will not only get this recipe for the most delicious lemon poppy seed dressing, but so many other exclusive recipes that you won't even find in my book. And I'm always trying to create new content for my wonderful group. So, really easy, simple ingredients. We've got lemon, mustard, chia seeds, poppy seeds, and medjool dates. The mustard that I use is the Westbury salt-free stone ground, the same mustard they use at True North. You can find this in my Amazon store or just lots of places like Sprouts carry it, and it's just a couple dollars a bottle, and it's really, really good. This salad dressing is amazing on greens like arugula. It will make a greens lover of you yet. And I also want to show you a really cool recycling tip. One of the things I do is, as you know, I'm a big fan of the California balsamic vinegars. Well, you know, I guess I could put this in the recyclables and I'd feel bad. I always reuse. So after I'm done with a bottle of vinegar, I soak it in hot water or put it through the washing machine so the label comes off. And then I have this beautiful bottle, and what I do is when I make my dressings, I store them in there or give them as gifts. So I'll show you how easy this dressing is to make, and of course, like all my recipes, no SOS, no sugar, oil, salt, which is the acronym that Dr. Goldhammer coined. I added the F and the A for flour and alcohol, sugar, oil, flour, alcohol, salt-free. You simply put all your ingredients in a blender, and you blend. I heard something. All right. Now, it will thicken as you refrigerate it because of the chia seeds. If you want it a little thicker, you can add more. If you want it less thick, you can add less or none at all. But I like to use a little bit of chia seeds as thickeners in my dressing because it really helps the dressing stick to the greens. And then I'm just going to pour it through the funnel into the bottle. And what's really cool is one recipe makes almost an entire bottle. And it's as pretty as it is delicious, slightly tart, slightly sweet. I hope you will try the lemon poppy seed dressing. I hope you'll try it over some greens. And please check out Feel Fabulous Over 40, completely free for 2 weeks, no strings attached, cancel at any time. Not only do you have great exclusive recipes, but content from people like Dr. Doug Lisle and many others. So thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I truly believe you can have both the health and the body that you so richly deserve. Take care.